magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan.
Sa Philippine boxing ngayon naging mainit ang hidwaan sa social media sa dalawang sikat na pangalan, dalawang landas, dalawang henerasyon, at iisang tanong, sino ang tunay na mandirigma sa isang sulok? Ang veterano, si John Riel Casimero, ang Cuadro Alas, isang mandirigmang hinubog ng laban sa iba't ibang bansa, isang pangalan na ilang beses nang tumaya ng buhay sa teritoryo ng kalaban. Hindi siya umaatras, hindi siya natatakot, at higit sa lahat, nasanay siyang manalo kahit walang kampi.
I don't think there was a punch which put him down. He just collapsed.
Sa kabilang sulok, ang bagong dugo, si Carl James Martin, ang Wonder Boy, bata, mabilis, walang takot, at may isang bagay na mas delikado kaysa lakas, ang gutom na patunayan ng sarili. Pero hindi lang ito simpleng paghahambing. Dahil isang spark lang, sumabog ang usapan. Nang sabihin ni Martin na umiwas daw si Casimero. Isang hamon, isang akusasyon, isang linya na hindi na pwedeng bawiin. At mula noon, hindi na ito tahimik. Fans laban sa fans, veterano laban sa baguhan, respeto laban sa ambisyon, at ang sigaw ng lahat. Maglaban na kayo, pero sa likod ng ingay, may tanong na mas malalim. Handa na ba talaga ang Wonder Boy? O masyado pang maaga para harapin ang isang gaya ni Casimero? Para maintindihan, balikan natin ang isang gabi na nagsilbing patunay sa kakayahan ni Martin. Isang laban na hindi lang basta panalo, kundi isang mensahe. Kontra sa Thai warrior, si Chaiwat Buat Kratok, isang veterano, sanay sa gyera, at hindi basta bumabagsak. Nakataya ang WBO Global Title, isang sinturon na minsan ding hinawakan ng mismong si Casimero. Pagdating pa lang ng unang round, walang respeto, suntok kapalit ng suntok, walang atrasan, parang parehong gustong tapusin agad ang kwento.
Yellow and black for this bout.
Carl James Martin entered the ring with his entourage, composed of elders, our elders in Ifugao, councilors. It's good to clarify, yes, for sure. But Kratok myth? It's important, partner. This is a pacing is important. That straight patience. Pacing is important.
James Martin is trying to size up Buchakrok. Baga sinasabi sa Filipino teaser from Thailand.
So Skylander. Both are known for their warrior mentality.
Tuloy ang aksyon dito sa ikalawang round kung saan nagpakita ng tibay itong dalawang boxers.
Martin could beat you in two ways. He could beat you by points, and he has the power to deliver that knockout.
Up with the fun. Be patient, no? Especially timing. There you have it. Full timing.
He's trying to gauge kung lahat ng boxer may ganon capability.
Definitely. Na sumusuporta kay Carl. Oh, huge shot by both boxers at that exchange. That keeping left hook.
Carl James Martin. Oh, hindi mo matatawaran yung heart na dahil may wala siyang schedule na fight.
Pagsapit ng ikatlong round, unti-unting lumalalim ang sugat. Mas malinaw, mas matalim ang mga tira ni Martin. Pero ang Thai, hindi basta sumusuko. Parang bato. Patuloy lang, kahit tinatamaan.
Looking for a belt. It's always
And this global title by the WBO is a good step. Kuha ang world title.
Si Chaiwat Butatok, marami nang nakalaban. He has a lot of fight. Medyo mabigat din to for Carl James Martin.
for sure. For a belt, it's always the best.
And this global title by the WBO is a good step ladder. Kuha ang world title.
And of course, we go through
Deeping left hook ng game plan ngayon ni Chaiwat Butatok. A nice uppercut by Carl James Martin. Oh!
and the time is beating up Martin with
May mga boxer dyan ayun. Fight. Partner, doon mo sana nagsasabing hindi full house ang crowd. Siguro, wala nang full house pa dito.
right, no? Oh, that's upper and then hook. Up top landed for Carl James Martin. And now the fight is heating up. Martin with that far southpaw, ano? So
Yes.
there has to be some
Mga boxer dyan na ayaw lumaban ng South.
right, ano?
Oh.
Oh, that top landed for Carl Amis Martin. Rank 4 in Thailand.
To the face of Carl James Martin.
So, I mean, yung mga ranking na yan, I will have to watch it for the next 10 minutes.
Round 5, lalo pang bumilis ang bagyo. Sunod-sunod, walang pahinga, walang awa, pero nananatiling nakatayo ang kalaban hanggang sa dumating ang sandali.
That high guard that supports that punch and counters.
But not a scoring punch. 4 to 5 punch combination is a scoring.
As long as it lands.
Yes,
It has
oh.
to land, ano? If it touches the arms or the gloves. Although it doesn't land, it has the ability to weave.
Ano? But to the face of Carl James Martin.
So good job. You have to watch his fight against Milan Milindo.
Nice. James Martin.
But Martin sharp with it. Uses that jab to land that power. But what?
4 to 5 punch combination is a scoring.
As long as it lands,
yeah.
the arms or the gloves. Although it doesn't land, it has the ability to weaken you. Nakakapagod yun, partner. Kaya ano, tamaan ka sa braso. Kahit pag ano, kapag natatamaan ka pa ulit-ulit.
Body of Butatok. Ay, yes!
Yeah.
An upper-
Sure, and using his legs to just corner Martin, but Carl answers with a combination.
I think Martin is smelling blood right now.
Those punches and he's still standing, partner. Counters with
Oh, a little rubber legs for Butatok right now.
Round 6, isang kombinasyon, eksakto, malinis, walang sayang, at doon, bumigay ang depensa. Bumagsak ang Thai. Tumayo, pero halatang may iniwang bahagi ang suntok. Wala nang balanse, wala nang sagot. Tinapos ng referee ang laban. Technical knockout. Panalo si Carl James Martin at inangkin niya ang WBO Global Belt na dating hawak ni Casimero nang tinalo nito si Filipon Ngitumbua.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.